Welcome to Tom Accessories, your ultimate destination for automotive innovation. Join us as we explore a world of cutting-edge car gadgets and accessories designed to elevate your driving experience, all right here on your favorite channel.
Turn your car's radio into a modern entertainment hub with this wireless Bluetooth FM transmitter. It supports Bluetooth, USB drives, TF cards, and MP3 WMA files, offering versatile playback options. Anti-interference tech and CVC noise reduction ensure crystal clear audio. Plus, it automatically reconnects to paired devices. This adapter seamlessly transmits calls, music, and navigation from your smartphone to your car stereo. Simply pair your device and enjoy streaming music, podcasts, and more. Built-in microphone and call handling features enable hands-free calling. It automatically switches from music to call mode, letting you answer, reject, or redial with a single button press. The adapter displays your car's voltage for 3 seconds upon startup, keeping you informed about your battery's health, then switches to playback mode. Its compact design makes it easily portable between vehicles. 2 USB charging ports let you charge your devices while driving, perfect for long trips and staying connected on the road. Want a professional car wash at home? The Ontel Car Wash Cannon uses revolutionary foam blasting technology to make washing your car quick and easy. Just connect it to your garden hose and blast away dirt. This specially designed foam gun has 5 spray settings, eliminating the need for scrubbing with sponges, brushes, or mitts. Simply spray, rinse, and watch your car shine like new. Just attach the car wash cannon to your hose, add soap, and cover your car in thick cleaning foam. Then switch to the rinse setting to wash away the suds. The powerful foam dispenser infuses air into the soap and water, creating a blanket of thick foam like a professional car wash. It cleans everything from your windshield to the body. The air-charged foam lifts dirt and dust, rinsing it away without any film or residue. Use it on cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, RVs, ATVs, and more. Very convenient for those who are passionate about taking care of their favorite car. Dropping a screw in a tight spot? These 2-piece extending magnet sticks with LED lights are here to save the day. Featuring 360-degree swivel heads, powerful magnets, and ultra-slim telescoping designs. Each stick has magnets on both ends and 3 super bright LEDs to illuminate dark, hard-to-reach areas, making it easy to retrieve wrenches and other metal objects. The flexible swivel and magnetic head design lets you reach deep into tight spaces like behind workbenches or car engines. Extending up to 22.5 inches, the magnetic LED head is a great helper for automotive repairs and garage work. Fully extended, these tools reach up to 25.6 inches, with a super slim magnetic head perfect for retrieving small nuts, bolts, screws, and other metal parts from narrow spaces. When folded, they're just 5.5 inches long and feature a convenient pocket clip for easy carrying. This telescoping magnetic pickup tool set is a must-have for any garage or auto repair kit. They're the perfect pickup tools for any job, and it makes a practical gift for men and women. Say goodbye to dust and grime hiding in your car's hard-to-reach spots. This Magnolia scented cleaning gel putty is the perfect detailing tool. It easily reaches into vents, crevices, and other tight spaces to lift away dust, debris, crumbs, and even pet hair. This cleaning goo is ideal for cleaning those tricky gaps and cavities. Simply press the putty into any small crack, and it'll grab onto the dirt, pulling it out when you lift. It works wonders on keyboards too. Just press and slowly pull away to remove dust. Each batch of cleaning gel can be used multiple times until it darkens. After each use, simply store it back in its jar in a cool place. Made from a high-tech material, this cleaning putty has a pleasant magnolia scent and a sticky texture that attracts dust without sticking to your hands. This versatile cleaning gel isn't just for cars. Use it at home or in the office to clean PC keyboards, printers, cell phones, calculators, TV remotes, computers, and furniture. Just ensure the surface is dry for optimal cleaning. Dealing with road rage, or just want to spread some positivity on the road? This car gadget is designed to help drivers express themselves and encourage better interactions. It's a fun way to diffuse tense situations or acknowledge good driving. Beyond the standard gestures, we've added a love and peace option, giving you an extra way to show kindness and promote positive vibes while driving. We believe this car sign can help foster a more friendly driving environment. Installation is a breeze with the included 3M Velcro. Simply peel and stick the gadget to your rear window. It's that easy. Don't worry about legality. These non-flashing amber yellow lights comply with most US traffic laws, so you can enjoy using the 3 optional gesture modes without concern. It's a safe and fun way to communicate with other drivers. The battery lasts for 3 to 4 months, and we recommend replacing it regularly. The remote's battery is also replaceable using the included ejector pin. Tired of clutter taking over your car? The Lucky Bay car seat side organizer is here to rescue you. Measuring 16.5 by 5.5 inches, this organizer features a clever elastic band that stretches from 31.5 to 44.5 inches, ensuring a snug fit on either side of most car seats, including sedans and those with low armrests. This convenient side pocket keeps essentials within easy reach, so no more fumbling through bags or glove compartments while driving. Setting it up is a snap. The durable strap attaches securely to the bottom of your front passenger seat in seconds. With 3 pockets, 2 mesh, and 1 zippered, this organizer is perfect for stashing maps, keys, phones, snacks, wallets, and other small items, keeping your car neat and tidy. This black organizer boasts a durable and efficient design, able to hold a variety of items and maintain a clutter-free interior. Enjoy a more organized and stress-free drive with the Lucky Bay car seat side organizer. Declutter your car with these handy headrest hooks. Made from thickened, premium plastic, these hooks are wide and deep enough. They instantly transform your car's headrest into valuable storage space, keeping your interior neat and organized. These hooks are perfect for hanging groceries, handbags, school bags, umbrellas, water bottles, baby supplies, and more. No more worrying about bags sliding around on the floor or spilling their contents. Installation and removal are a breeze with one-hand operation. The simple S-type design means no tools are required, and you don't even have to remove the headrest. Sold in packs of 4, these hooks fit most cars, SUVs, and trucks with headrest bar diameters between 0.32 and 0.55 inches. Each hook can hold up to 55 pounds, easily handling your daily needs. The 360-degree horizontal rotation adds extra convenience. Swing the hooks to the front or back of the seat as needed, or simply tuck them away under the headrest when not in use, maximizing space and seamlessly blending with your car's interior. Ever pack your car for a road trip and watch everything turn into a jumbled mess under the ceiling the second you hit the brakes? The car ceiling cargo net with anti-sag technology is here to save the day. This handy net features a unique design with adjustable D-buckles and 3 secure hook and loop straps. This winning combo keeps your cargo securely in place, preventing even the slightest sag or fall. Plus, it comes with 3 extra mesh pockets, perfect for stashing smaller essentials like tissues, glasses, wallets, and small toys within easy reach. Installation is a breeze, especially for cars with 4 handles. Simply connect the straps to the top handles and secure the net using the adjustable hook and loop strips. It's that easy. Measuring 31.5 by 21.6 inches, this net is ideal for most SUVs and minivans, including Fords, Jeeps, Chevrolets, and more. This car ceiling cargo net is the perfect gift for any road trip enthusiast or camping fanatic. Tired of under-seat storage sliding around? The Halo Clay Organizer offers a smarter solution. Unlike traditional Velcro, it uses a 2-sided serrated positioning dowel design, keeping the box firmly in place, even during sharp turns. Its stylish design seamlessly blends with your car's interior, and an ergonomic handle makes access easy. Plus, it won't interfere with your floor mats. A built-in silicone pad not only simplifies cleaning, but also minimizes noise, preventing rattling during your drive. This set includes 2 organizers, perfect for storing various items like umbrellas, water bottles, and shoes under both the driver and front passenger seats. Specifically designed for the 2021-2024 Tesla Model Y, these organizers provide a perfect fit. Craving a hot meal on the go? This mini portable oven is your answer. With 12, 24 volts, and 110 volt connectors, it plugs into car lighter ports, wall outlets, and more, letting you enjoy tasty food anywhere. Using gentle heating conduction, it reheats leftovers, cooks meals, and keeps food warm for hours without drying them out or creating odors. Just plug it in, and your meal will be ready when you are, whether it's in 1 hour or several. Compatible with flat bottom containers made of glass, foil, metal, ceramic, and cardboard, it fits containers up to 9.76 liters by 7.01 watts by 3.94 inches. The package includes a lunch bag, shoulder strap, heating plate, and 2 power cords. Its collapsible design, adjustable shoulder strap, and carrying handle make it easy to carry in a backpack. Perfect for cars, trucks, offices, hotels, and homes. It's ideal for truckers, drivers, teachers, busy parents, nurses, and more. This portable lunchbox warmer makes a thoughtful gift for anyone who brings lunch to work, offering the comfort of a warm meal wherever they are.